Attention! There has been more UFO sightings in California than usual. The government has issued a lockdown, for many people have gone missing overnight. Stay in a bunker, lock the doors, close the windows and do not get out, until the government says so. This is not a drill.
Who are you? Get away from me. No.
Guys, we're getting closer. Whoa, this place is cool.
I agree. Which part shall we camp? Probably near the river.
Nah, John, that's too dangerous. Let's just camp at the forest. Get our supplies so we can set up camp.
Alright, we are here. Better set up camp now.
You know, I've heard a rumor about sky whales.
Yeah, it's from the alien warning. Probably just a hoax.
Nah, man, this is getting unsettling. Let's just go to sleep now.
Huh? What was that? Oh, Alfred, wake up! Alfred!